As global demand for diesel components continues to rise, ELKOSO moves forward with precision, purpose, and powerful partnerships. This is the next chapter in our global development, a certified manufacturing alliance built to meet tomorrow's expectations. Together, we proudly introduce the production of actuators for VDO injectors and common rail pump valves. Designed in the European Union, manufactured in Asia, and quality control in Hong Kong. We maintain strict quality control measures throughout the production process, from design to final inspection. We expand our reach without losing our values.